Right now, a crime scene is being analyzed. No human touched it. An AI just identified the suspect. Forensic science technicians have long been the unsung heroes of justice, collecting blood spatter, lifting fingerprints, analyzing DNA. But artificial intelligence is now doing all of this faster, more accurately, and without coffee breaks. Companies like Forensic AI, Cellebrite, and Axon are deploying machine learning to process evidence at a scale no human lab can match. So the question is real: is the forensic technician an endangered species? So what exactly can AI take over? First, DNA analysis. AI can match genetic profiles in seconds against databases of millions. Second, fingerprint identification. Systems like NEC's NeoFace already outperform human examiners in accuracy and speed. Third, digital forensics. AI tools can trawl through terabytes of seized devices, flagging relevant files automatically. Fourth, blood spatter pattern analysis. Computer vision models now reconstruct crime scenes in 3D from photos alone. Fifth, toxicology screening. Machine learning identifies drug and poison profiles far faster than traditional lab testing. So how do forensic technicians stay relevant? Strategy 1. Become an AI forensic specialist. Learn to operate, validate, and challenge AI-generated evidence in court. Strategy 2. Focus on physical and contextual judgment. AI cannot smell decomposition, notice environmental anomalies, or apply human intuition to a messy real-world scene. Strategy 3. Become an expert witness. Courts need humans who can explain AI findings to juries in plain language. That is a skill no algorithm has. Strategy 4. Move into policy and ethics. As AI enters courtrooms, someone must ensure the evidence is fair, unbiased, and legally admissible. That someone is you. The verdict. By 2030, routine forensic tasks, DNA matching, fingerprint scanning, digital triage will be almost entirely automated. But the technician who understands AI, challenges its outputs, and bridges the gap between algorithm and courtroom will not only survive, they will become indispensable. The crime scene of 2030 will still need a human who knows when the machine got it wrong.